coming to the next one, Black and White Limited is into the business of manufacturing ready-made garments in Amritsar. It procures all the raw material required for its production from Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, and J&K. Its sales market, however, covers almost all the northern parts of the country. CA Anu is the engagement partner of Maheshwari and Company, appointed as the auditor of the company. She calls for a meeting of the engagement team to delegate the work and responsibilities. During the audit, the engagement team comes across the following facts. Woolen Private Limited is one of the vendors of the company, from which the company has been purchasing wool for many years on a current account basis, but no single purchase has been made in the last 9 months, and the outstanding balance stands as it is in the books of account. CA Anu wants to confirm the balance and requests the CFO of the company for sending a balance confirmation request to Woolen Private Limited, to which he refuses and is not willing. Fashion Jingo Limited is one of the customers of the company and hasn't replied to CA Anu's positive balance confirmation request. So vendor, then after that customer. Then one of the fashion designers had sold his designs to the company, but owing to a dispute, the contract got cancelled, and now both the parties are under litigation in the local court of law. The engagement team is guided as to the procedure to be designed and performed to identify this matter. CA Anu simultaneously direct communication with the legal counsel sensing the RMM. However, it ends up in vain as the external legal counsel, Mr. Chadda, refused to comment. She is unable to obtain the evidence in this regard through the alternative procedures either. The team documents all the relevant information with respect to the above facts, and then Anu issues the audit report accordingly. Fashion Jingo Limited has not responded to the Anu's request. What should be the proper course of action in such a situation? Right, so it's one of the customers and hasn't replied to CA Anu's positive confirmation. So whether the confirming party agrees or disagrees, in both cases it needs to reply. Okay. Right, so now there is no reply from the third party. So perform alternative procedure, consider it as a negative confirmation, give a qualified opinion, visit the customer company premises herself and confirm the balance on the spot. No, if not by hook, then by crook. So perform the alternative audit procedure. With respect to the advocate Chadda cold shoulder to CA Anu's request, what should be done? Right, refuses to comment. She is unable to obtain the evidence. So now through alternative audit procedures also. So this fellow is not giving any reply, then alternative procedures also unable to obtain evidence. Then you need to go to the 705. So modify the opinion, give an unqualified opinion, give a disclaimer of opinion, withdraw from the engagement. No, so modify. It could be qualified or disclaimer depending on the pervasiveness. What should be CA Anu's first and foremost response in the case of request made relating to the balance confirmation from Woolen Private Limited? Perform alternative procedures, withdraw from the engagement, communicate with TCWG. First and foremost, inquire as to the reason behind the management response and seek evidence as to the validity and reasonableness, because it is regarding management's refusal to allow the auditor to send a confirmation request. Right, so what does it say? Refuses and is not willing. Right, so that is again regarding the SA 505, right, regarding the external confirmation. Inquire as to the reasons behind the management reasons, and then you also check for the validity and the reasonableness of the reasons given by the management. Then, which of the following procedure will not be performed by the engagement team as audit procedure while dealing with the case of Mr. X, right? So Mr. X, where there is a litigation going on, which of the following procedure will not be performed? Inquiries of the management, inquiry of Mr. X, review the minutes of the meeting, review legal expenses account. So as per SA 501, completeness of litigation and claim, we do make the inquiries of the management. Indirectly, we do review the minutes of the meeting, we review the legal expenses account, but no inquiry of the Mr. X, right? So B would be the option. Okay, right? So that was a small one.